Hey, good evening. Map Your Map Investments. Bringing you a recap of today's market action, stock market, and crypto. So let's get to it. Currently, the crypto market in general is up over 9% to 1.9, over 1.9 trillion. We are seeing some bidding going on here in the crypto markets. In my prior videos, I have said just basically concentrate on the big ones, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, and they're both up over 10%. That's what I'm pretty much focusing on. But you can see there's a lot of green here in the markets right now. Luna up 12%, AVAX up 14%, Shiba almost 10%, Litecoin almost 10%. So a lot of green, a lot of bidding up here. Leo up 25%, Sand up 14%. Not a lot of red. So good news for the crypto market. There's some life in it. We're coming back here. Good stuff for the crypto guys. I'm currently holding. I do have Bitcoin and Ethereum. I have them in the Grayscale Trust. And then in Coinbase, I have Shiba and Mana. Over here in crypto.com, I'm holding crypto.com, Sandbox, Audius, Helium, Doggy Mars, IRS, VVS, and Smooth Love Potion. Counts up 10%. Really don't look at it much. These are probably just the ones that I hold. In the Coinbase wallet, I have some metaverse gaming stocks and the Insure one. Not worth selling anything in here. Just keep that for a long haul because there's huge gas fees when you're going to make a transaction here. So it just defeats the purpose. So that's the crypto market. In the crypto market, you can with the grayscale, you can pull up the GBTC. You could go that route. Was up today nicely, up 13% with a nice buy here. I'm a little bit down on this. You're never gonna pick tops and bottom, but I started adding a little bit higher from this point for my crypto portfolio. The other one is Ether, the Ethereum grayscale. I think I want to say is ET. This one right here, and it's a similar chart. Like all the cryptos, they're all correlated. So hopefully we get a bounce back here. I don't have Beto is another ETF that came out, which does have options, and I need to take a look at it and maybe do some trading in the Beto. But you can see today, Beto was up 12% as well. So need to take a look at those options. Maybe do something with those options. Maybe you can buy some out of the money calls. I don't know what the IV rank is, and we'll take a look at it here in the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. So here's Beto. Doesn't give me IV rank, and they do go out 2 years. 2 years, and they say expected move is $23 in 2 years out. So you can buy the 65 calls for $3.35. Seems pretty expensive. Let me see if Tastyworks has IV rank in here. It's not letting me sign in. Um, let's look at the futures. See how the markets did today. It was pretty all over the place today. Dollar up a little bit. 10-year yield, really big move, up to almost 1.93, and interest rates are climbing. All foreign currencies were down. Nice day for Bitcoin, like I've talked about. Oil approaching 100. One of my last couple of videos, I think the title was Oil at 100. And I've also made videos on interest rates climbing. Both are materializing. S&P up 16 and a half. Gold up 4. Lean hogs up. Feeders down a little bit. Cattle pretty steady. Small caps up a little bit. The NASDAQ was up 150, and it was all over the place today. Dow Jones down 40. Natural gas down 33 cents. That's been pretty wild as well. Palladium and platinum pretty flat. Copper holding that 450 mark. Silver 22.50. VIX down $1.38, but we're still at pretty elevated levels at almost 25. Grains, nice move in the grains. All positive today. And we talked about interest rates climbing with the 30-year bond and 10-year note. On the order fronts, had a nice day today. Where are my orders? Sorry. Filled. So I rolled XERS and I rolled NVTA. I rolled United Steel. I closed out Snap for a nice profit. It was up big time today. I bought some energy plays out in time, and I did some calendar spreads in WMB, APA, MetLife. The insurance companies were really bucking the trend. They do well when interest rates go higher. Devon Energy, Prudential, Allstate, Unilever. I shorted the home builders ETF small. Mosaic, a fertilizer play, one of my favorites. BNS, a foreign bank in Canada. Another United Steel trade. P10, another energy play, and Activision I got long as an arbitrage play. Microsoft is buying them out for $95 and is currently trading at $79.25. So we'll see if I gave myself some time, but I think it should move up and I should make money on this trade. We'll see. I continue to like energy. I continue to like banks should do well with the higher interest rates. I like the gold. I like the silver. I like the miners. I like insurance companies. Could take a look at bar chart and take a look at pretty much a quick recap of the market, of the stocks out there. Apple is pretty flat. PayPal got a little bounce back after being decimated this week. Ford missed, and they were hit 10%. Meta platform had a low of 230 and a high of 242 to close at 237. Tesla, nice day, $32 up, 923. Snap, I talked about, up huge, 58 percent. Amazon up huge. I think Amazon raised its Prime membership to 140, an increase of $20 if I'm not mistaken. Nice move for Amazon, and they're a big percentage of the S&P and Nasdaq, so that had a lot of help in those indexes. ET had high option activity because I think they had to pay a dividend, so that has to correlate with all the activity in the options. AMD had a good earnings, Qualcomm decent earnings, Financial Bank of America nice day, Nvidia has earnings coming up, AMC a meme or meme, whatever you want to call it, stock at $15. ExxonMobil nice day, 81.40. Softy nice day, 305. Pelton got a buyout offer. Well, they didn't get a buyout offer, but they have interest by Amazon. I'm long Peloton, believe it or not. I have a put credit spread in Peloton. Let me put this by alphabetical order. Oh, sorry. There. So right here, I have the 25 7. So I have the 25 put, 17 and a half for protection. It's a bullish strategy. It's a put credit spread. So that should be a winner for me. Hopefully. Robinhood has come back up. That one hit 9 under 10. So it's really bounced back to 15. Mara, crypto play, Neo car maker has dropped a lot. Wow, $23. Alphabet, Google had great earnings. Pfizer doing well with vaccines. Boeing, oh sorry, my allergies are killing me. Boeing up some, but it hasn't really done much. American, Alibaba hasn't traded well. Planeteer has been beat up. Lucid, another car maker, down to 27. DraftKings been annihilated, up some to $22 almost. Carnival stuck at 20. Intel's a good value play at 48. Probably undervalued. Nice bounce in Pinterest, nice bounce in Square. I love United Steel in this environment. Netflix, CEO picked up shares, and so did Ackman. It's dropped back down from its big run up, but today got a little bit of a bid. DWAC up to 84. It's SPAC dealing with Trump's social media platform. Disney 142. I don't know what to make of that one. That stock's been trading pretty crappy, but it's a big company. General Motors hammered with Ford. Uber up nicely. Don't know what to make about Uber. I don't think they make money, so I don't even know what to make of Uber. Affirm, buy now, pay later. Nice day. AT&T, stock's been the same price for, 20 years. JP Morgan, next day, another bank. SoFi, up a little bit. Wells Fargo, up a little bit. Nice. Everything was pretty much up. Walmart down. Nice day for Chewy. Nice day for Goldman Sachs. Coinbase. Nice day. GameStop's freaking meme stock. I don't get that one. Airbnb. Roblox. Starbucks had a crappy earnings. That thing's come down from like 115 to 95. Roku. Need them to do good. I have a position in there. CRM as well, and Zoom, nice days. Already gone through about 100. Shopify, nice day. Like Hertz, On semiconductor, need to do some research on them. They seem pretty cheap. They've sold off. Spotify up. So it's about the 100. I did a leap in rig. They do drillers and stuff like that for oil. So I like them. That was pretty much it. We had news today on the unemployment report, and it was a pretty good report. Markets were zigzag all day. So there's the Pelton news. Inflation is really, really, really bad, getting worse. So today I called the insurance company because I need to renew my house insurance. A couple years ago I was at 1,600. I jumped up to 20, and a couple years ago jumped up to like 22, 23. Now I'm paying 31, and I called today and they wanted $4,100 for house insurance. I'm like, I just paid $3,100 this year. You're jumping to $4,100. That's hyperinflation. That's over. I told the lady that's over 30% increase. What are you guys doing here? And that's what had me looking up insurance company stocks. And like for example, Prudential had a beautiful day today. Prudential up $5 on the day, and it's a new 52-week high. So I think insurance companies will do well in this environment. Hopefully I can close my Peloton for a good profit. I've been rolling since December. That stock was at 170 and it's all the way to 25, and after hours it jumped up to like 35 at least. I haven't done any research on Kramer's week ahead. Chip shortage forces Ford to cut production. Amazon, other tech companies acknowledge rejecting remote work could cost. So most of the jobs were in the leisure and hospitality, and then the next chunk were in professional and business services, retail trade, transportation, and warehousing. And then the rest were pretty mediocre. It was kind of interesting to see construction, mining, and logging down. So that was an interesting telltale. With construction and mining down, interesting. Apple's gonna come out with a cheap phone now in March. Some new products, I guess, that just came out. Why some people get COVID and others don't. Why do some people get COVID when others don't? Interesting. I mean, I'm in that category as of now. Thank God. I haven't gotten it that I know of. My wife and daughter got it, and I didn't get it. So keep taking my vitamins and keep trying to lose weight and stay healthy. I want to say I've lost like 30 pounds. I'm almost at my lowest weight in 5 years. So I keep trying to get healthy, get rid of these back pains. What else? Feel bad for Brian Flores, Miami Dolphins coach. I think he was doing a decent job. See how that saga turns out. He got fired, and he's doing a lot of allegations with racism and that they tried to bribe him to lose games to get better draft picks. Pretty crazy. What else was out in the news? Trying to think. What else was in the news today? I know Clorox got hit hard today, very hard. I didn't do anything in there. I'm trying to close a lot of my tech plays. I mean, I have a lot, so I want to see, and a lot of them have earnings coming up. So I want to try and get out of them and regroup and put on higher probability of trades because a lot of them are like a close to the money or I'm rolling them, etc. But I did make some ground today. It was a better day, better week, and I look forward to the next week. It's incredible that the first week of February is gone. Just mind-boggling. Mind-boggling. It's crazy. So I pretty much went through all that news. I don't know. I don't know what about housing. That's a tricky one. I was looking at it today, and interest rates are at 3.75. I want to say on. So mortgage rates hits 3.85 highest since 2019. So that might put a little bit of a, they're saying there's a little bit of a frenzy right now because people are scared that rates are going to go higher. Airbnb survived COVID, but the crisis mode in sharing economy stays. Housing wealth soars as home equity grows by 42%. Housing wealth is setting new records for both owners and sellers. Borrowers rush to get last of the low mortgages. So, in regards to real estate, all the home stocks were down today. Lennar down 5%. DHI, I think it is, down 5%. IYT, ETF, I think. No, that's transportation. IIR is real estate. Down 1% today. XHB down 2%. Pulte down 7% today. So you can see all the home builders got hit hard, big time, with the higher interest rates. Also, cars, GM was down, big, 3%. Ford was down 10%. These are big items that are interest sensitive, You got to keep that in the forefront. You got to think about it. I don't know about the car dealers. CarMax was down 0.5%. AutoNation was down 3%. I think I saw Carvana up today. Yeah, Carvana up 2%. So, I'm not I don't know. I'm not feeling that the automakers and the home buildings is just very rate sensitive. Not and tech. I don't think is out of the woods yet. I think you really need to concentrate on on you need to concentrate on insurance companies, miners, energy. Snap, big winner today. Bill, big winner. BPT, that's an energy play. MicroStrategy, Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Miners, that's Hut is a crypto miner. Bitfarm, crypto miner. Riot, crypto miner. Just looking with the biggest winners. So energy, a lot of crypto stuff. I think you gotta look for value. My last video you saw a lot of the ones that I bought. I put you up to speed on everything that I have purchased in my last video. So yeah, glad today close snap on that huge rally. It was glad to get out of there, and I didn't put any trade on there. I could probably get a trade in there to with that. It still has IV, and Monday I should be able to close out Peloton as well. I probably had today. Don't know how many trades. I want to say 20. I had 28, 19 fills, 28 canceled. Yeah, and I don't know if earnings season is winding down. Let's take a look at that. Earnings, and let's take a look at Monday. Monday we got 45. Tuesday 117. Wednesday 126. Thursday 144. Yeah, so we got a busy week next week. Still a lot of earnings out. Let's go to the next. Let me see. I'm just curious. It says that we have a lot of earnings on the 15th. And I don't know if that's right. 460, 193, 173, 171. So we're in the thick of earnings. There's a lot of earnings in the next 2 weeks. Wow. Yeah, we got this month full. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff going on. And then March, we get to the Fed. We get to maybe the Fed hike. So these markets will stay volatile, in my opinion, and should be a good one. Hopefully, I can still down for the year. Unfortunately, not doing nothing stupid, not trying to get it all back in one trade, staying mechanical, staying disciplined with my approach, systematic, and I will plug away and get out of it eventually and be positive for the year. If I were to say what my mistake was, it was not beta weighting my portfolio for the tech downfall, the drawdown. The Nasdaq is probably down, I don't know, 10% maybe or less for the year. So I got caught up in that whole sell-off, and that's because I didn't beta weight. Right now I'm long a little bit, just a little bit, but I am beta weighting my portfolio, and it's helped me recuperate, and gotta keep that market awareness on a daily basis. Anyways, I've rambled enough for tonight. I hope you liked the video, enjoyed it. Share it, like it, subscribe, hit that like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Good night. God bless. Bye-bye.